Welcome to YouTube Science Communication. Hi there, my name is Maximus. This is the 65th video I've made for this class or something like that. Today's just going to be a very quick tutorial on how to purchase Adobe Premiere Pro for a 1-month subscription. That's the software that you're going to need for this class. It's the first thing you should do once you have enrolled and start accessing the homework assignments. You're going to have to install Adobe Premiere Pro. So this tutorial is about that. So you can start by going to Google and you can type in Adobe Premiere Pro 1-month subscription. See, I've already done it, so it's all typed there. And just click on the first link. And it's going to bring you to this thing. You hit Buy Now over here and select Premiere Pro. You can hit Buy Now again. And what you want is a monthly plan. It's $31.49 a month. So this class is 1 month long, so you're going to have to pay $31.49 for 1 month of Adobe Premiere Pro. And then you can put in your email and hit continue on to payment. And I'm not actually going to go any further because I already have the software installed. If you have any problems getting past this point and actually installing the software, you can give me a call or send me an email. But this video is here just to give you a very firm nudge that, like, okay, step number 1, install Adobe Premiere Pro, 1 month subscription. You're going to have to cancel the subscription at the end of the month so that they don't charge you for more of the software than you need. But you do need Adobe Premiere Pro in order to use this class. Think of it like a lab fee or something like that. So install Adobe Premiere Pro, buy a 1-month subscription, and then you can move on to actually completing your first assignment. That's for the next tutorial. Okay, I'll see you there.